Hi there, how are you? This is a video for the Google Marketplace reviewers. The first thing I want to show you is our name, the name of our add-on. We already formatted it the way that you want it. This is the same name for the Google Marketplace submission and also our AppScript project, just so you know. We also have here our client ID. And I do want to mention our add-on. What it does or why we created it is for customers or for users to verify their email list within Google Sheets. We use our external API for this. So now that I said this, I want to show you the scopes that we use. Um, these scopes, except for one, are the same that I already added on Google Marketplace submission and all the OAuth consent screen. So I'm going to explain them one by one. We have a script external request because of what I just said. We use our external service and API to verify the emails. We also have a spreadsheets current only because we want the user data only from the spreadsheet that the add-on is installed on. So, for example, how it works is that the user install the add-on on their spreadsheet. They select the emails of the spreadsheet that they want to verify. They have to select it. We don't really get more data than that, than what they select. So once they select the emails they want to verify, we just verify them. The next one is container UI. This is the exception. I didn't find this scope on OAuth consent screen or Google Marketplace. But if I delete this scope from the project, then I'm not able to open the sidebar. And the last one is script tab. We use this because when we send the data back to AppScript, we do it by sending uh, the data directly to a function inside AppScript. So we use AppScript API for this. I'm going to show you now the code that we use. So this is it. It's called call AppScript. We use we use an access token actually. We get the name of the function we want to send the data. We have two options. One is batch, the other one is single. So we have to select either one of them depending on what it is. We have the function name and we send, well, the parameters with the data. I also have here the URL with our script ID. So now that I let you know all of this, I want to show you how our OAuth consent screen looks like. So I have to open extension. We have here the add-on, and I need to authorize it. So this is my email, and here you have it. So we have you manage a spreadsheet that its application it's installing. I'm sorry. This is spreadsheet current only. Connect to an external service. Allow this application to run when you're not present. And display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebar inside Google applications. So I'm going to allow it, and we should be fine. Okay, so here you have it. This is our extension, at least the verified view. My API key is safe, so this is what the user sees once they have their API key safe. If they don't, then they have to sign in, and it's a different view, but it's only using the API key. So they enter the API key on an input right here on the sidebar, and then once it's connected, they get sent here. So I'm gonna do a little demo right now with these two MailPlus emails. So I'm going to select them. I can also, so we have the option of display colors here. I can enable that. So two emails selected. verify email addresses. The user can cancel if they want to. I'm not gonna do that right now, obviously. So yeah, we have here the two verifications, I'm sorry, of the emails. And also a little alert that lets the user know that the emails have been lost. If I click here, then I can verify again. We also have here the credits remaining, the credits I have left to verify, two links. So one is of our pricing page and the other one is just of our website. We have the settings here with the display colors that I just showed you. The API key is saved, mine is saved, but if I want to change it, I can click here. So if the user is not signed in yet, they're going to see this first view and they have to put their API key here and then enter. So that's everything I have for you. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions or need any more information, please let us know. Thank you so much.